listen, my nigga. Hold up. Hey, listen, my nigga, don't push no motherfucking body. Listen here. Y'all step down on the side so we can keep the show going. We in this bitch together. It ain't shit but some love. They don't want the stage collapse, cause I damn sure don't want to fall on this motherfucker and be on World Star. I can't deal with it. I'm a real nigga. I'm just saying though. Y'all step down on the side, we gonna enjoy the goddamn baby. Where the rest of your clothes at? What the fuck? God damn. Hey look, but listen, my nigga, y'all real niggas hop on the side. My nigga, hop on the side of the stage so we keep the show going. Hop down, nigga. Hop down on the stage. Hop down on the side. Hop down on the side so we keep the shit going. Cause I ain't going no motherfucking where, nigga. I swear to God, I ain't going nowhere. My nigga, y'all hop down right there so we keep the show going. Hop down, nigga. Hop down. Hop down on the ground. Hop down on the ground. Baby girl up this motherfucker, butt ass naked, nigga. B-Mo, what's happening? I said, what's up, baby? Hey, my nigga, listen. Hop down on the side so the stage won't break, so y'all won't fall. We gonna keep the show going, alright? Listen, hey, cuzzo, I start shouting. Hop down real quick for me, my nigga. Yo. Baby, you. Let's get it, nigga. Baby, you. Yo, listen, nigga. I don't give a fuck about none of that, man. Get down on the side so we can keep the show going, nigga. How the fuck you come all the way from over there over here, motherfucker? I see your ass. Yeah, hop down, nigga. We ain't fucking up the show, nigga. We gon' fuck up these folks' money tonight. That's what we ain't gonna do, nigga. I ain't fucking up your money, homeboy. I'ma give you what you paid for. Baby, step down. Alright. We about got this under control. What's up, big dog? That's your hood right there. Tell them, you know, it's all love, nigga. Baby, you. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna need you to turn the fuck up. Let's get it.